everyone, this is Gay Esser from RegDesk. Let's take a look at our top global regulatory updates for the week. Our first alert is from Pakistan, where through S.R.O 1587I 2025, Pakistan's DRAP has replaced outdated local rules with internationally recognized Pharmaceutical Inspection Cooperation Scheme Good Manufacturing Practice Guidelines, aligning manufacturing standards with global best practices. The transition will be phased in over 6 months to support the industry in implementing these changes. Our second alert is from Honduras, where ARSA has created a guide on risk classification for medical devices. ARSA has designed a guide to classify medical devices, which provides technical and scientific criteria based on function, invasiveness, and energy or drug delivery, aiming to ensure proper classification for all supply chain stakeholders. Our third alert is from Kazakhstan on the implementation of a pilot project for state registration of medicines or medical devices. This affects state registration, re-registration, and amendments to the registration dossier of medicines or medical devices. Medicines or medical devices produced there or imported to its territory are subject to examination, as well as price registration and amendments to the manufacturer's price. Our fourth alert is from the UK regarding clinical trials for medicines with an update on information on in vitro diagnostic devices, included companion diagnostic devices. UK's MHRA released updated guidance on applying for clinical trial authorization under the amended 2025 regulations, including streamlined processes for eligibility, application changes, and documentation. Thank you for joining us. You can stay updated with RegDesk for your most important regulatory news. This is Gay Esser with your global regulatory updates.